So I guess, Tan, would you say this is like a stocks picks newsletter or more like a course? So what I hear often is that many people can be confused about what it is that we actually offer. Is it just another hot picks newsletter? Is it a course, or is it something completely different? What actually is Decentralized Masters?
All right, makes a lot of sense because what we offer is quite different from what you find in the market. So it's neither a traditional newsletter nor a course. It's actually a comprehensive system that combines all of this and way more.
So with that said, what exactly do members receive?
All right, so you want precisely. Okay, so I'd say there are three core components. So yes, there is an educational video platform like training that teaches you everything you need to know, laid out step by step. It's not theory, it's practical. We show you what to do, how to do it, like how to set up the right accounts, how to secure assets, literally where to click to do it, right? Second, we provide the ongoing research and share exactly what we are investing in. So our research team, they're more than 35 now, they work around the clock analyzing these markets. I use them personally, and so do our members. They are looking for those assets that meet our strict criteria. So we have our own algorithms, our own criteria, right? Screenings that are going on. We're looking for potential explosive growth. When we identify such opportunities, we alert our members, and then they have the option to go for it or not. That's totally up to them. And we also tell them why. And that's very important because we want them to be able to understand so that they can make their own decisions in an informed way, I would say.
Okay, so it sounds like a combination of education and research. What's the third component, would you say?
I think it's the one that truly sets us apart. Direct access to crypto experts who literally can answer your specific questions and provide custom guidance based on your needs. So these are actual experts who could be doing just crypto, but they've decided to join a vision, they understand where we're going and what we're doing, right? And the common resources benefits all of us, and they get that. So they love teaching crypto, they love educating people, and they love also being in touch with high-level investors, our members. So it's a win-win. We saw the gap in the market. I mean, most newsletters out there, they throw a few picks here and there and then leave it up to you what to do with it, right? No entry strategy, no exit strategy. Like, the markets move. So is this information still accurate, like maybe a week later or not? Like, you don't get that. That's what we solved. And you get all the up-to-date actionable opportunities that the members are jumping onto.
But do the recommendations actually work? Because a lot of newsletters have spotty track records.
Right. So that's why we like to be very transparent, and we track the performance of every recommendations that we will make. So we looked into the data, and in the last 18 months, we made over 450 plus native market recommendations. They resulted on an average 301% performance with over 86% in win rate. And that is all verifiable. So as we said, we don't just provide the recommendation, we also provide the reasoning behind it. And that's why our members love working with us. Now, obviously, you're not going to jump in all of them. There is a strict portfolio management like principles that we follow, that we teach also. And that's why members know exactly what to do, if it's for them, if it's not, etc.
So it sounds like this is more like a complete system rather than just a newsletter or a course.
Exactly. So the issue with newsletters is that they're one-way street. They send pics, you read them. Courses, they dump information on you and just leave it up to you to figure out the implementation part. Here we have a comprehensive ecosystem that is designed to support you at every stage. You can ask the questions, you can join the classes. If you just need the information, so be it. You have the information as well. But the goal is really to teach you how to fish, to teach you how we make our research so that you can do it too on your own and bring more opportunities to the collective. And that's probably why our retention rate is of 70%, which is literally unmatched. Members stay because they're getting real value, not just information, they're learning, and they're also part of a community where they feel they're an asset, they're contributing to the success of others as well. And that's very powerful.
Thanks for clarifying that, Tan. I guess let's move on to the next question.